Hi everyone, my name is Ashley and I'm a teacher and mom of 3. We were recently gifted a 3-month subscription to Flintoclass for our 4-year-old. It is a Waldorf-based preschool program that incorporates an online component with hands-on activities 3 times a week for 1 hour a day. My favorite part about the program is that it is very hands-on. Eddie is interacting with materials to support his learning and is not just sitting passively watching a Zoom class. There is also a physical activity component that keeps him up and active. The materials come organized by month and day, so there is very little preparation. As a mom of 3, this is key. Eddie is registered in the pre-kindergarten program and he is engaged in literacy and math activities, as well as other activities that promote mindfulness, physical activity, song, and dance. His teacher delivers a phonics-based lesson, and in just 1 week, Eddie is learning letter sounds, and he is also with support beginning to blend onsets and rhymes. I can rest assured that Eddie is going to have an hour of structured learning each day.